In a world where mobile applications dominate our daily lives, how can we ensure their quality and reliability? Enter automated testing, our key to guaranteeing seamless user experiences. By embracing this technology-driven approach, we unlock a realm of efficiency and precision in testing mobile apps. Imagine a world where bugs are caught before users even notice them, where performance is optimized to perfection. With automated testing, we revolutionize the way we ensure quality in mobile applications. Let's delve into the strategies and tools that make this possible, paving the way for a future of flawless mobile experiences. In mobile app development, testing is your safety net. It catches bugs before users do, saving hours of debugging and instilling confidence in your code. Without testing, you're merely hoping everything works, a risky strategy. Professional developers invest time in writing tests because they understand the high cost of releasing faulty features. A single crash in production can harm user trust, lead to negative ratings, and impact revenue. Testing isn't a choice, it's a necessity to ensure success. Imagine being able to catch and squash bugs in your code effortlessly. The testing mindset is all about prevention over cure. By testing early, you save time and resources, ensuring a smoother development process. With good tests, refactoring becomes a breeze as you can make changes confidently, knowing your tests have your back. And let's not forget about documentation. Tests not only validate your code but also serve as a guide for others. Embrace the testing mindset and code with confidence. What shapes the foundation of effective software testing? Enter the test pyramid. At its base, unit tests reign supreme, swift, plentiful, and focused on individual parts. Moving up, integration tests come into play, ensuring components harmonize seamlessly. Finally, perched at the summit, UI tests oversee the entire application flow. The pyramid's strength lies in unit tests' agility and maintainability, contrasting with the more intricate and fragile nature of UI tests. A winning testing strategy adheres to this model: abundant unit tests, a balanced mix of integration tests, and a select few critical UI tests. Quality testing hinges on this strategic pyramid. Unit tests are the backbone of your testing strategy, ensuring that individual functions operate correctly in isolation. Like examining Lego bricks before building a castle, unit tests focus on specific behaviors. Running in milliseconds, they provide instant coding feedback. So, how do these tests work, and why are they crucial? Imagine each test as a quality check for a single Lego piece, making sure it fits perfectly before constructing the grand design. With unit tests, you're building a solid foundation, one brick at a time. Ever wondered how to write your first unit test effectively? Let's dive in. Imagine you have a function like calculate total, taking in price and quantity to return a total. To test this function, you can create unit tests like test calculate total and test calculate total with zero quantity. The first test validates the normal operation, while the second one tests an edge case with zero quantity. Each test focuses on a specific scenario, ensuring clarity and independence. Remember, good unit tests are concise, clear, and scenario-driven. By structuring your tests this way, you can build a robust testing suite. How can we ensure our unit tests are effective and efficient? Let's dive into some best practices. First, test one thing at a time to pinpoint issues quickly. Use descriptive names that clearly convey what each test is verifying. Keep tests fast by avoiding slow operations and utilizing mocks. Remember the AAA pattern: arrange, act, assert, setting up data, executing code, and verifying results. By following these guidelines, we can create robust and reliable unit tests that enhance our development process. Ever wondered how to truly test the user experience of your app? Enter UI tests, also known as end-to-end tests. These simulations mirror real user interactions, from tapping buttons to scrolling through screens, ensuring your app responds as intended. Unlike unit tests, UI tests uncover navigation glitches, layout issues, and integration failures. Yes, they're slower and more delicate, but they're crucial for validating key user journeys. With UI tests, you gain confidence that your app's essential features work seamlessly from the user's perspective. So, let's dive into the realm where real user experiences meet rigorous testing. Picture this, testing a login flow, step by step. First, we open the app and enter the user credentials. Then, we tap the login button and verify reaching the home screen successfully. This UI test mimics a real user's actions, ensuring each stage works flawlessly. It's all about attention to detail and precision in every interaction. And there you have it, a seamless login experience, tested and confirmed. Are you unsure about which type of test to use for your software development? Let's break it down. Unit tests are ideal for checking business logic, calculations, data transformations, and utility functions. Integration tests come into play for tasks such as API calls, database operations, and ensuring multiple components work seamlessly together. Lastly, UI tests are perfect for evaluating critical user flows like login/signup processes, purchase flows, and navigation paths. By strategically selecting the right test type for each scenario, you can ensure the quality and reliability of your software. Ever wondered how to keep your tests fast, reliable, and independent? Enter mocking. By replacing real dependencies with mock objects, you can simulate scenarios like network failures without risking actual harm. Imagine testing error cases without breaking a sweat. Mocking is the secret sauce for crafting top-notch unit tests. So, say goodbye to slow, fragile tests and embrace the power of mocking. Ever wondered how to simulate real-world scenarios in your code tests? Enter mocking in practice. By creating a mock-like mock API service, you can precisely control data outcomes for testing, whether it's success with mockUser or failure with network error. This hands-on approach lets you explore various test cases without relying on a live server connection. With Mock API Service, the power is in your hands to shape your testing environment and ensure robust code functionality. Ever wondered why mocking is a game-changer in testing? Picture this, instant test results, no waiting on slow networks or services. Imagine tests that are rock-solid reliable, immune to external hiccups. Each test hones in on your code, free from third-party distractions. And the best part? Simulate tricky scenarios effortlessly, like failures and edge cases. Say goodbye to the headaches of real services. Testing just got a whole lot smoother. Ever wonder how to ensure your mobile app is bug-free and running smoothly? Enter Continuous Integration, or CI for short. This game-changing process automatically tests your code whenever it's updated, saving you from the hassle of manual testing. CI servers step in to build your app, run the full test suite, and flag any bugs immediately. This not only keeps your team on the same page but also prevents faulty code from slipping through the cracks. For mobile apps, CI means rigorous testing for both iOS and Android, covering unit and UI tests, and maintaining top-notch code quality. Think of it as your app's personal quality control team, working tirelessly behind the scenes to deliver a seamless user experience. So, embrace CI for mobile, and let your app shine brighter than ever before. Ever wondered how a typical mobile CI pipeline operates behind the scenes? It all kicks off with the developer pushing code changes to the repository. The CI server then springs into action, triggering a new build process. Next, dependencies are swiftly installed, ensuring all necessary packages and libraries are on board. Unit tests run promptly, catching any logic errors and regressions. The app is then compiled for its target platform, be it iOS or Android. End-to-end UI tests follow suit, verifying critical user flows. Finally, the CI system reports back, delivering a verdict to the team along with detailed logs. In a nutshell, this pipeline streamlines the development process, ensuring efficient and error-free app delivery every step of the way. Looking into mobile CI tools, we find a range of powerful options to streamline development workflows. GitHub Actions, seamlessly integrated with GitHub, offers customizable workflows for iOS and Android builds, supported by a vibrant community of actions. Bitrise stands out as a mobile-first CI platform, providing pre-configured workflows tailored for React Native, Flutter, iOS, and Android applications. On the other hand, CircleCI impresses with its robust CI/CD capabilities, particularly excelling in Docker support and swift build times for mobile projects. For those seeking full control and customization, Jenkins proves to be a self-hosted solution favored by enterprises, despite requiring more initial setup. With these diverse tools at your disposal, optimizing your mobile development process becomes not just efficient but also tailored to your specific needs. As we approach the final stages of app development, Chapter 6 introduces a crucial phase: pre-release checks. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about ensuring an exceptional user experience. Think beyond automated tests. Manual testing on real devices is key. Emulators can miss crucial details. Test across various screen sizes, OS versions, and network conditions to guarantee a seamless experience for all users. Prioritize quality with every check, because the last thing you want is a bumpy launch. Are you ready to release your app to the world? Let's ensure a smooth launch with this comprehensive checklist. 1. Verify that all tests pass in your CI pipeline, confirming that unit and UI tests are successful. 2. Conduct manual testing on real devices to test critical flows across different OS versions and screen sizes. 3. Check the app's performance, ensure it launches quickly, scrolls smoothly, and doesn't excessively drain battery. 4. Review accessibility features to ensure compatibility with screen readers and appropriate contrast ratios. 5. Confirm your app meets the guidelines of Apple App Store and Google Play Store. 6. Consider beta testing by releasing to a small group of users for real-world feedback via TestFlight or Google Play Beta. Stay vigilant through this checklist to guarantee a successful app release. Remember, thorough preparation is key to a successful launch. How can you ensure the robustness of your software applications? Start by prioritizing unit tests before anything else, establishing a solid base for your business logic and functions. Then, focus on creating UI tests for critical user paths like login and checkout flows. By using mock dependencies, you can maintain test speed, reliability, and isolation from external services. Automate your testing process through continuous integration to catch issues early and consistently. Before releasing, rigorously follow a pre-release checklist to uphold quality standards and platform compliance. Remember, a strong testing strategy is key to delivering reliable software. Welcome to the final challenge, the Testing Fundamentals Quiz. What type of test verifies individual functions work correctly in isolation? Unit tests. Why do we use mocks in testing? To replace real dependencies with controlled fake versions. What does CI stand for and what does it do? Continuous integration automatically runs tests on code changes. According to the test pyramid, which type of test should you have the most of? Unit tests. True or false, you should always test your app on real devices before release, not just emulators. True. Remember, mastering these fundamentals is key to creating robust, reliable software.